Okay. Make me cry. I'm so sad.
Yo, what time do you have to go?
Whatever time my mom comes into my room
You must
and
protect
says,
your bombs from being
"I
defused
have
by
to
Op 4.
go, honey."
Okay.
I'm just trying to get this 1v1 in, bro. Wait, why am I using these? Hold that. Before the log, by the way.
Op 4 eliminated. Mission
No,
First
successful.
round. First round.
Yo,
I was
you're
mad
so
low. Yeah, you got me.
dang trigger finger.
Yo. Who's pissed?
Yo, wait, let me see your mouse space. I'm curious. How much mouse space do you have? Wait. Go to a
I send you a
video and let me
picture.
see your mouse space. I'm
I can
curious.
send you a picture on messages.
Alright.
You need to have a lot of mouse space to play MK.
Wait, did you send me it?
No, it's sending right now.
Mm, 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 yeah. Mm, 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 mm.
You must locate and
Did
defuse a
it
bomb.
send yet?
Ah.
Okay, it should have sent now.
Wait, is G? Oh, dang. It's a good amount of space.
Good amount of space.
No solid snake. No solid snake.
Oh wait, no solid snake?
Op
What?
4
No
eliminated
solid
all
snake?
friendlies.
The pistol does too much damage, bro.
Alright, no solid snake. I just had to pick a random op for me because I honestly didn't know what op to win. At least I think I did a random op. I don't even know. I don't know how to play. Okay, I guess I'll play Deagle.
What else should I do to get better at mouse and keyboard?
Yeah, just play Clear House. Like when I first started, I just played Clear House every day, and then ran Quick Match.
Wait, what? Do you use Red Dragon?
Bomb
I
locations
have a
are
Red Dragon
secure.
keyboard.
I use a mouse. Oh, wait, I forgot I have the Zim loadout on.
But yours
On my
in?
mouse.
Whoa.
Yeah, I'm RAM. Yo, I'm pulling down so hard and it's not doing anything.
Strike back.
I got him. Should I put like SMV12?
Bro, what do you mean
Yo,
SMG
is my
12?
skin? Yo, I think my skin is glitched. Wait, hold on. Don't kill me. I'm gonna come inside. Wait, I think my skin is glitched. It's white. Hold on. Don't kill me. I want to show you it. Where are you?
A bomb has been located by Op 4.
I just walked. Oh my god.
Ah.
Yeah, your skin
Yo,
is
look. I
not
think it's
white. Yo, just go back. Go back to master, bro. Go back to master. Get out of here, bro. Get out of my face.
auto picture to go.
What?
Op 4 eliminated. Mission successful.
Wait, did I hit you with my auto picture?
I think like one time. Revolver God.
Here's these. Here. It's like a paper towel, but it's for your face. Thank you. Yeah, I didn't know whether or not to get your face. But...
Your mission is to locate and defuse the
Alright, they
bomb.
call me the revolver god for a reason.
But I'm so used to it. But I took my stuff out. There's space on it.
Hell, if I need to have 6 bullets, and I need to use only one, I get very close.
Would you?
I hear you. I
Some
think
body
I
wash
can.
to that stuff? No, you don't like the body wash? I don't. Why? I just it sits well in this.
Obviously impressed.
Bomb has been located.
Is one trying here?
P12.
Looks small. It does.
I hear the C4.
Where did you want no, there's somewhere you can pull it from. I'm sure. Right there. I think it's one of them.
Oh
Op
my
4
goodness, no
eliminated.
way you were there.
Such bad aim. You were using the revolver.
In your neck.
Yeah, bro, the revolver is goated.
Hold on, I have an idea.
Don't forget the towel, okay?
Alright.
Nah,
Okay.
I can't play Castle. Wait, who am I gonna play? Who am I gonna play? Yes.
I got him. Wait, who are you playing?
Huh?
Who are you playing?
Ella.
Ooh, with the P10.
Yup.
Keep an eye out for Op 4 attempting to defuse your bombs.
That's what he's there. Doesn't matter. What team's that? You're a martyr, aren't you? So why does he have a pistol?
What?
Op 4 eliminated. Mission successful.
Bruh. I couldn't hear anything.
I'm sorry, bro, but like, I just saw you just
I
sending
couldn't
that.
hear anything. I couldn't hear
I
anything.
know,
What do you-
I know, cause I had you with the Ella mine. That's what makes it so funny, cause I used tis the way that I used the utility actually worked. Because I
Oh,
just
we're
threw,
left. Wait, I didn't know that. Oh, we're lefties.
I just threw the random Ella mines because I didn't know where to place them, and then they just happened to get you.
A bomb must be
I
located
think
and
Legions
defused.
deserve a buff. Should get a buff.
And yeah, playing Legion in the current ranked state, bro, he's not good. I mean, I like playing him for like customs because I like
Launch.
his weapon. I suck at this. Oh, okay, I see him. I see.
I hit you in your head. No.
Op 4
I hit you
eliminated.
in the head. I hit you in your head. You're 1 HP, bro. Yo. No way. No way. No way.
Op 4 has yet to locate a bomb.
Yo, I'm not even gonna lie, bro. Hold
I
on.
didn't stand up, I would have got you.
I'm going to the top of T3, man. I can't do this anymore. You look at the
No,
roof, but
no,
don't
you're not.
kill me.
No, you're not. No, you're not. No way. No, you're not. No, you're not.
Farewell.
Op 4 eliminated.
Nice one,
Mission
go ahead.
successful.
That one? It's one use.
Dude,
Like, I have a whole bunch
why
of
would
them.
you just go to the top of T3, bro?
So, like, if you need you.
I'm gonna lose, bro. You know what I have to do.
You know, bro,
I have
I'll
to
do one taps only because I don't want the MS to end this fast, bro. You know, so I'm a good person, you know. Sometimes you just gotta let me cook. Trust.
No,
Feel bad.
silent.
Feel bad.
You have 10 seconds to come and get me before I blow myself up.
You must locate
Alright.
and defuse a
No,
bomb.
no,
10,
no, no, no,
9,
no, no. No, don't
8,
do that. Drayden.
7, 6, 5.
Wait, yo, wait. My mom's calling me. Hold up, pause the timer.
You located a bomb.
Dude,
Op 4 eliminated.
I heard you, bro. I know that trick.
are you serious, bro? She just let me win, bro. Oh my.